Well, hello friends, Mark Martella here for the Dellutri Law Group. And what I'd like to talk to you about today are the 5 most important things to think about when choosing a personal representative for your will. Now, the first thing is I have so many clients come to me and just think, well, I have to pick my oldest or I have to pick my son. And coming from an Italian-American background, that is a strong feeling. They don't want to insult their eldest son, even if they have 3 younger daughters who are all accountants, and he can't take care of his own checking book. So put that aside. Put aside these traditions or these stereotypes. Don't just pick somebody because they're their oldest child and you don't want to insult them. But I get that in so many of my consults. Second, and this you would think goes without saying, but again, like the first one, you need to pick somebody that you trust. If you have doubts about them, if you've had experiences with them that cause you to hesitate in choosing them, don't pick them. This is someone that you're entrusting all your assets to, and we can require that a bond and be posted, and you may want to do that just as a good practice, but it really has to be somebody that you trust. And although I don't think it needs to be said, some people again feel pressure to pick a certain child and may not be the most trustworthy person. But here are our additional serious considerations. So number 3, are they good with numbers? Because a lot of this is math. Are they good in figuring things out, dividing things up? Now, again, they'll have an attorney that will assist them, but they need to understand it. You don't want to rely on an attorney for everything. The personal representative should have some skills with regard to using numbers. A 4th reason, are they responsible and organized? Because that's a lot of what this is. They have to marshal together what your debts are, what your assets are. Present that to the attorney who's going to handle the probate. And are they capable of doing that? Or do they give you the impression that they can't even get their life in order, they can't balance a checkbook? Well, maybe they're not the right person that you want to handle your affairs when you're gone. And then finally, are they someone who's a get-it-done kind of person, or are they a procrastinator? A procrastinator is not somebody that you want doing this. They need to be, again, as I said, organized and ready to move this forward. If the longer they take, the more things can go wrong, the more expenses that accrued, and then the more anger that may start to arise among the beneficiaries, as well as suspicion. And there's no need to create suspicion if there's no reason for it. So again, you want to pick somebody who is trustworthy and proactive and well organized and can do these things in a manner that will get your estate handled in a relatively and reasonably quick manner. Don't pick somebody just because they're the oldest in your family. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. We offer a free consultation. You can just give us a call. Again, my name is Mark Martella for the Dellutri Law Group, and thank you for watching today.